Hello, I'm now going to show you the Telesys external twist action clamp. This clamp is made from anodized aluminium, and as you can see it's very aesthetically pleasing. It can come in a whole variety of different colours that can match the various colours of the tube. This clamp can be used for different materials also. It can be clamping aluminium tube sections, or it can also clamp composite tube sections. As the name suggests, this is a twisting action external mechanism clamp. Let me show you how it works. You take the section in one hand and you turn the clamp anti-clockwise. It's based on a thread. Now even just a small turn like this releases the section underneath. To lock it, you simply turn back in the same way. This now locks this. This clamping system is the strongest type of clamping system available, and it's one of the types that you want to consider if you're creating a pole that has to take an awful lot of weight. It's very strong load bearing in that direction or in this direction. I'll just open the next section out a little bit further. You take the section, you twist the clamp, you open out. To lock off, you simply twist back. This is now a very, very strong section, strongly held pole. To collapse the pole, you work in the opposite direction. Release, push down, tighten, twist, push down, tighten. Hello, I'm going to show you the Telesys external twist lock mechanism. No.
Okay.
Hello, I'm going to show you the Telesys external twisting clamp. As you can see here, it's an external mechanism. It's made from aluminium and it's been anodized. Presently it's black, but you can have that in a whole range of different colours to match the sections of the pole. As the name suggests, this is an external twisting mechanism locking system. To operate, you hold the section in one hand, you twist even just a short distance like that. It releases the section underneath. To lock off, you twist back. Again, twist, release, lock off. Now this is probably the most powerful locking type mechanism on the marketplace, and Hello, I'm going to show you now the Telesys external twist lock clamping system. As you can see, it's very aesthetically pleasing and used on a lot of very high-tech poles. The short clamps allow for a very short collapsed length of the pole when it's collapsed down. That's a particular feature of this type of clamp. Also, it's anodized aluminium. That means that you can have these clamps in a lot of different colours to match the section clamps. Now the main thing about this type of clamp is that it is the strongest available and most powerful clamping system on the marketplace, and is particularly good for the heavy load bearing applications that you might need. If the pole is having to carry a lot of weight downwards or upwards, it's just as good in both directions. Now, as the name suggests, it's a twist lock mechanism. How it works is you take the section in one hand, you twist a short distance anti-clockwise in the other because of the thread inside there, and you slide the section out. To lock down, you simply reverse that action. I'll do that again. Hold the section, open up, close down, and just with a small twist of the wrist each way, it provides a very, very strong... Hello, I'm going to show you the Telesys external twist lock mechanism. As you can see, the twist locks are very aesthetic. They're often used on some high-tech telescopic systems. They're made from aluminium and they're anodized, so you can have any type of colour you really want with these clamps to match the section colours. They also allow the pole to have a very short collapsed length. That's often a very useful feature. It's also important to acknowledge that these types of clamps can be used on a whole variety of different materials. In this case, it's anodized aluminium. It can also be used on fiberglass, carbons, composites, a whole range of different types of materials. The twist lock mechanism, as it suggests, is a very straightforward, quick locking system. You hold the section, you twist a short distance, slide it out. To clamp down, you simply just screw straight back in the reverse direction. I'll do that again. Hold the section, open it out, and close back. Now, one of the main features of this, and benefit also of this actual type of system, is it is the most powerful clamping system in the marketplace. It really does hold each of these sections very, very strongly. And that's particularly important, that it holds it in different directions, whether it closes this way or whether it opens out that way. Now, let me just go straight on to... Hello, I'm going to show you the Telesys external twist locking clamping system now. As you can see, it's very aesthetic. It's often used in a lot of very high-tech poles. It has a short collapsed length as well, which allows the pole to collapse right down, which is often a very useful feature and benefit. Now, these clamps are made of aluminium and they're anodized, so you can have a different colour than the black that you see here to match the sections. Also, these clamps are available to attach to a whole range of different materials. In this case, it's anodized aluminium. It can go onto fiberglass, it can go onto carbon fibre, you can go onto carbon fibre mixes. So a very, very useful type of clamping system. Now, to operate, as the name suggests, it's a twist clamp. You hold a section, you twist outwards, anti-clockwise, there's a thread inside there, the section slides out. To tighten up the clamp, you reverse that process. You close down. I'll do it once more. Hold a section, twist the clamp, open out, lock down. Now, this particular clamping system is the most powerful gripping type clamping mechanism in the marketplace, and this is the type of system that you want to consider if you're having to carry quite a weight on the end of the pole. It's particularly good in either direction, whether the pole is wanting to collapse down or whether the pole is wanting to pull apart. This is the type of system to actually choose if that is of real importance to you. Again, to close down and collapse down, open up, push in.